Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about what is Zapier and how does it work. So first of all, you can see we already landed in our Zapier.com, and here we need to be create an account. So first of all, let me clarify it that how or what is Zapier. So first of all, Zapier is a no-code automation platform that connects your favorite app and service like Gmail, Google, Sheets, Slack, Shopify, Notion, etc. So they can work together automatically without your needing to code anything. Like, let me give you another example. That will be, think of it is a digital assistant that does repetitive tasks for you instantly. So you don't need to be take it difficult way. Zapier will do whatever you want to do in your app. So it will totally automation platform where your work has been automated by AI, and they will give you the assistance on your work. So the process and the apps is really helpful, and it plays a significant role in your professional life, and it make your life so much simple and quick. So as you can see, we already in Zapier.com. So here you can see it is like a free version, so we can't use this platform without paying any penny. So you need to be just click on here, start free with email or start free with Google, whatever you want. So I'm going to create an account here first of all. Then we need to be click over there, start free with Google. Once we click over here, it will take a while and it will ask for this option. So just continue and click on continue again. So now our Zapier account has been done. So we need to be verify it by going through mail account. So after verifying my Zapier account, so now how does Zapier work? Let give you an instant. That will be, you need to be click on Zap or create here. Like, let's explore every element over that place. Then we are going to create an Zapier for our apps. So just click over here Zaps. So here you can create your Zaps. We already had some sample over that place. Zapier already provided us, and status is off. So if we go over there, and we will able to see the interface. Look, it is a option where our Gmail will be notified by WhatsApp, and also it will be go on 36 dialog. So the process is really simple, but the process is automated. So it makes really your life simple this way. And again, go with another option. Just see the example, that is, so whenever someone trigger our button, I will get notified on Google Tasks. So really awesome. So you can add further more steps over that place. So let's dive into the main task. That will be, we are going to create an task. That will be, click on create. Once I click over here, create the event that is set as the automation. Just click over here and create a new tab. So I am going to choose a tab. That will be, you can see the basic by watching this video. Just click over here and they give you the option where you can see how the tab really works. So here a person is teaching us how tab really works, so you can watch it if you need. So here you can see they are asking by a message option where I need to be write a prompt. First of all, they are asking what can I help you as automate. So they give you three options. Create tasks for Gmail emails, then also send WhatsApp alerts for new emails, generating meeting with notes with AI. So here I am going to create task from Gmail. After writing this down, Copilot will take a while and they will give some guideline for us. So as you can see, this is the result. So here you can see you can automate task creation by setting up a tab that creates a new task in your task management app. Whenever you receive a new email in Gmail, here's how can you build your tab. Just click over here and add all steps to tab. Now it will take again a while, and then your task has been set it here. So here in the right corner you can see we already get an confirmation or configuration option where we can add. And also the main thing is they are giving us some introduction. Like you can see, first of all you need to add new Gmail in trigger option. Then second, create an assignment in task train step. So throughout the process they will guide you if you need it. So the process makes this thing really simple. Just click on next step and they are testing the step, and then they will finalize the task for you. And here they are asking for add your Gmail account. Just click over here, add account, and it will take again a while, and then they will eventually add your account for that place. So you can see they are asking for our task train account. If you don't have any task train, just go open a new tab and search task train. If you want to know about task train, you can research about this platform, you can read their information, then you can identify why task train is really important or why task train is mandatory for you. So let's explore our apps section, where our apps really important for us. So automation products, so just click over here. In here you can see this is the option chatbots, Canva. So we are going to make sure our apps platform, where is this apps platform, you can see this is the app connection. You can choose whatever apps you want, like click over here and you can see this one is the app section. Here we already added a Gmail and this is our connection, and this way you can see your apps 3 days ago. So I already uses Zapier for many tasks, make automation. So that's why I think automation is really helpful for me. And again, if you want to discover furthermore, just click over here, discover option. Once you click over here, you can see we have popular lead management zip templates over that place. Then we have sales pipeline, marketing, customer support, data management, and even many more. So you can see their product too. Let's go with another that will be like relatable for us. That let's find something that will be lead management. Just click over here. Like I can mention it that Zapier supports over 600 or 6,000 plus apps, including Google Workshop, email tools, CRMs, HubSpot, it means HubSpot and Salesforce, also e-commerce like Shopify and WooCommerce, also project management and AI tools like OpenAI and Notion AI. Just go over here and let's find out something which will be relatable or relevant for us. Find out something. Zapier automation platform, newsletter sign up. So I am going to click though this one, HubSpot. So I don't have any HubSpot. So find out further more option. Let's see. Okay, then again I think that might be lead tracking templates will be good. This one will be good for us. Capture Facebook leads in Google Sheet and send emails option. So once I click over here, just click on try it. So you can see this will already associated with our lead generation option. Here you can see to finish up all the thing I need to be configured perfectly. So if you have Facebook lead option where you get Facebook lead, it will be perfectly once someone fulfill your lead option, it will become on Google Sheet and it will be go on Gmail automatically. So the process makes the thing really easy. Once you complete whole process over that place, and you will get this kind of option, publish. Whenever you click on publish, the task has been done for you. Now you need to be wait, like after set it up, just forget it. Once you tap it set up, it's run automatically in the background. No manual work or no coding will be needed for your task. Also you can monitor tabs or turn them off anytime. It's totally depend on you when you want. Like let me give you another option that will be when you click on tab, you can see this is the option of status. So when you want to enable it, you need to be click over here, or if you want to disable it, just click over here. So our tab is incomplete and cannot be turned on. Like when you complete it, you already have all access, then you are allowed to do it here. So give me let me talk about the example. If you integrate Zap with your Shopify order, like whenever you will get a new Shopify order, this option will help you to send Slack notification. Then if you have new email in Gmail, then you will get save attachment to Google Drive. Then if I told you the main thing in this video will be why use Zapier in 2025, where we already have some further AI option like ChatGPT, Copilot and other platform HubSpot. Why Zapier? So let me tell you, it will save time by automatic repetitive tasks. Again, reduce human error, scale your workflows without extra stuff. Then for one, connect tools that don't normally talk to each other. Again, great for freelancer marketers and solo entrepreneurs and teams. So for that reason, you need to be use Zapier in 2025. And let me give you another pro tip, that will be start with simple one step steps. Don't make it complex, then build advanced workflows. Second, use filter and paths or AI action for your smart automations. It will make your work really simple and easy for your teams. And third one is combine Zapier with tools like make integrate for even more control. So for that reason, I think this Zapier will be helpful for you. So if you watch this video till the now, then I think you already understand or you are now knowledgeable about Zapier platform. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If you don't find out this thing is really helpful, then I will suggest you watch this video again and again, then you will find out this video is really helpful for you. So till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.